Our question of the week is, do weather swings really harm plants? Well, our most noticeable extreme weather swings happen in the winter, which are mostly mild, interrupted by usually short bursts of extreme cold and wet weather. And yes, many plants are adversely affected by this. Through complex biochemical processes, plants are able to detect the hours of daylight in their environment, the intensity and color of that light, and the temperature and humidity of their surroundings. Taken together, all of these factors greatly influence plant growth and development. One big change that many of us have made in our landscapes is the use of more heat and drought-tolerant plants to adjust for our extreme summers. Many of these new plants are low desert succulents that are not accustomed to cold, wet winters. And even plants that we may remember from childhood are also adversely affected by these new weather patterns. Most temperate zone trees, especially fruit trees, are accustomed to more uniformly cold weather. And the jump from cold to warm back to cold tricks them into sprouting tender new leaves that get nipped when we dip back below freezing. For more information on how particular plants behave in your area, given any new weather patterns, you can always reach out to your local county extension office. Since mid to late winter is a great time to plant roses, our plant of the week is Ladybank's rose. This extremely vigorous climbing rose makes a wonderful addition to any landscape large enough to contain it. Don't make the mistake of planting this big beauty on a trellis. It absolutely must be given an arbor. Make sure Ladybanks will receive at least 6 hours of full sun and provide regular irrigation for the first few years and during extreme, extended, hot, dry spells. This rose will be covered in delicate yellow or white blossoms in the spring, but it only blooms once a year, so don't prune it until after the flowers have all dropped. In milder climates, Ladybanks is evergreen and has no trouble with diseases or insects. CTG's viewers always get the most magnificent photos. In Johnson City, Mary Christenberry Lott had her camera in hand when eastern bluebirds and a golden-fronted woodpecker stopped by. Mary installed water features and planted pigeonberry and chili pequins, especially to entice more birds to her landscape, and is now sharing her love of nature with her 8-year-old grandson. And certified arborist April Rose, City of Austin Urban Forest Health Coordinator, shared this young sycamore leaf photo taken by Carmen. We're really surrounded by nature's wonders. We'd love to hear from you. Click on centraltexasgardener.org to send us your questions, pictures, and videos.